Stoxx finishing up the Friday session by about 0.1%, gaining for the third day. Best run since April, second weekly gain as well, longest streak since May, biggest weekly gain since May as well. I love to bombard you with stats at the end of the week. This is euro dollar. Look at the move upwards since December, 114.59. We're up 0.1% this week since May the 5th, by the way. The currency's alternated between gains and losses on a weekly basis. That's 11 straight weeks of alternating performances. On Tuesday, it reached its highest level since May last year. 114.67 is where we were. 114.58 is where we are. The implied probability of euro dollar hitting a fresh high at 115 by July the 20th has almost halved since Yellen's testimony to Congress, and a sign that dollar negativity is firmly priced in already. That's according to Bloomberg strategist Vasilis Karamanlis. Her dovish stance this week did nothing more, he says, than match expectations, and price action from here revealed it could only take a catalyst from the EU side of the equation to push euro dollar to that 115 barrier resistance. 114.58 is where we are today. Let's talk about emerging markets. Fascinating chart. This is stocks in developing nations, flashing signs that the bulls are back after Janet Yellen, of course, indicated this week the era of cheap money won't end anytime soon. Equities trading near that key technical level unseen in years, the so-called golden cross, when the 50-day moving average moves above the 200-week moving average. That hasn't happened, by the way, since the year 2010. Stocks gained more than 30% when that happened in the following 11 months. By the way, EM stocks this year are up by 21%, the most since 2009. Just want to finish off with this as we approach our chat with Richard Jones. This is the City Economic Surprise Index, the blue line, the Eurozone, the white line, the UK. Fascinating week this week. The data highlight was unemployment falling to a 42-year low. Wages, though, on the real front, real wages falling the most since August 2014. The big data point next week actually isn't a data point. The big macro event, Vonnie, is the ECB.